Hey everyone, Brendan from Brinkley RV here. We're going to be going down a list and making sure everything is secure and latched before going down the road. Let's start in the bedroom. So in the bedroom, pretty simple. You want to make sure that your front wardrobe doors are closed and locked, and you want to make sure that there's nothing in front of your bed slide, so when you do go to close this, it's not going to crush anything on the dresser. All right, so here in the bath, you want to make sure that your TP is magnetized to the wall. You want to make sure that your linen closet and your trash are locked by this little fastener here, and then that your shower doors are all the way to the left-hand side and latched as well. Let's head to the living room and the kitchen. So here in the kitchen and living room area, you want to make sure that your bar stools are secured somewhere other than the kitchen area so you can bring your theater seat slide out in. Next, you're going to want to make sure that your flip-up countertop is pushed all the way in and secured on the magnet. Back to the refrigerator, you want to make sure that your travel lock for the refrigerator is on so your doors or your drawer doesn't slide open. So in your microwave, you want to make sure that your glass piece is either stored in a drawer or somewhere secure so it's not bouncing around. And then your pantry, you'll hear when I push it in, you'll hear that locking noise. You want to make sure that that's locked before you close the slide out. That way it doesn't open up going in transit. And then the TV, you want to make sure that this is pushed all the way back. Bring the strap around. All right, so now that we're in the garage, we need to secure the ladders and then the Happy Jack table, which we chose to do on the top of the Happy Jack bunk. Behind it, we want to make sure that the 3-season door is closed and locked. Up top, you'll have your garage TV. You want to make sure that's strapped as well. And then in the back half bath here, you want to make sure that that same toilet paper holder is secured on the magnet on the wall, and then you'll close the door. And all the interior doors, you want to make sure that they're closed and latched properly. And even on the outside, you want to make sure all the windows are closed, the vents are closed. If you do have a side-by-side or a motorcycle or anything that has fuel, you do have these vents in the garage area that you can open up going down the road to really help to get some of those fumes out of the coach. Make one loop around, make sure all your baggage doors are properly secured. The last thing you want is a baggage door flying open going down the road. So make sure everything's closed, properly latched. Make sure there's nothing on top of your slide outs before you run it in. Sticks can fall. You just want to make sure that they're nice and clean before you run all your slide boxes in. And I just want to wish you guys safe travels and happy camping.